Good morning, guys. It is quarantine day. How many days have we been in quarantine? Like a week and a half already. I'm drinking iced coffee right now, and we have a lot of things to do. So I thought, okay, just give me 1 second. I thought I would bring you guys along today because the main thing that I want to do is clean out our room. So let me show you guys what I mean. So in our bedroom, we have this shelf on top that has a whole bunch of things. Then we have like this thing right here, some baskets that are broken from like a shelf that we used to have, and like a whole bunch of things. We have our suitcases over there, and we have a lot of like winter clothes still out right now. And under our bed, we actually have these bins. This one has like toys and games in it. That one has like stuff that we can throw out, and then on the other side is like shoes and clothes. So I was thinking, since it's pretty much not gonna snow anymore, and even if it does, there's not gonna be that much snow, and I'll probably still just go out in my shoes. Like, oh my god, my face is so red. I mean, like, I have like a dry patch right here, so, and then right here also. So it looks like I have a mustache. Hi. So I was thinking I would switch everything out. I would take the shoes that I'm gonna wear more frequently out, and then put the boots away, and take my summer clothes out and put all of my winter clothes away, so that we make more room and we just switch everything out. I mean, since there's nothing else that we can really do, might as well just do that, right? So I thought I would bring you guys along, show you guys like what I do, the process and everything. And also, like, Alex had his cousin over last night, so the apartment is a mess. Like, not a big mess, but like it's just like, you know, like 2 boys had a lot of fun last night, and there's like stuff everywhere. So we have that to clean up, and we need to do the vacuum. I also took all the sheets off of our bed, and I'm cleaning all of them. And yeah, we're just gonna do like another cleanup of the apartment, and we are gonna go through our winter things. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. I already had breakfast, and I'm drinking my coffee. And yeah, I'll just put some cream right here, and we'll get started. Alright, I put some cream on my face. It still looks pretty bad, but we're just gonna have to do with it. I put on a cleaning outfit. I put this shirt that I've had for a long time, because I thought if I'm gonna be cleaning, I need to be wearing something that I don't care if it gets dirty. But, oh yeah, I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing this shirt that I don't care if it gets dirty. And I'm wearing these shorts that I got from Garage like about 3 years ago now. I love them. I haven't worn them like that much, but I really like them. They're really nice. Anyways, this is the first thing that we're gonna be doing, okay? So right here at the end, like the really back of our apartment, we have this little closet. It has a whole bunch of things in it. So I was thinking we could go through it, and so we took like everything that's in it out. And I also like want to vacuum in there, because like I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a whole bunch of like stuffs over there, like cat hair. So we're probably gonna go through all of this, and then we're gonna tag the room afterwards, because we want to see like if we can get some space in here or not. So we're gonna check that right now. So I emptied out the entire closet. I'm just waiting for our vacuum to charge, because it is dead right now, and I want to pass the vacuum on top right there, because there's a lot of things right there, and I don't want to start like putting everything away here and then everything falls like on what I just put away. So I'm gonna wait for that, and I'm gonna start with our bedroom. So this bucket right here is the one with all my summer clothes. So what I was thinking is, this last drawer right here has so many big sweaters that I won't be wearing anymore. So I'll switch them out. Yay! So I have this one right here that I think I'm gonna keep in my drawers. Like, it's pretty big, but I love it. It's one of my favorite ones, and I'll probably like wear this even with a pair of shorts this summer, like the spring, if we're allowed to go out. So I'll keep it in my drawer, so I don't have to like pull the bin out of under the bed. I think that'll be easy. Don't mind like me chewing. I have vitamins. I'm just taking my vitamins, so let's keep this cleaning going up. all my clothes out and packed up all my sweaters, which is crazy because I don't have that many sweaters. Like, I have a lot, but like not as much as like how many shorts I had and how many tank tops I had stored in that bin. And like the bin is full. I can't even fit like one of my coats back in there. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we have like one spare bin, so like that'll be fine, but still. So wish us luck. On top right here are all the things that I'm going to be putting back into my closet. Like, I know it's too early to have like shorts out because like literally if you look outside, I don't know if you guys can see, there's still snow. But I'm going to put these all out and like literally, like I am keeping all my jeans and everything, so like that's not a big deal. But I'm going to take like all the tank tops out and everything, so yeah. Okay guys, I think I decided what I'm going to do. So this bucket right here has like really old laundry hampers that we used to have, so I think those we're going to throw out. And I'm going to put all the rest of my winter clothes in there with our bigger jackets, and we're probably going to keep the ones that we have out right now and just like put them in our closet. Like, we'll have room for them, but the rest is all going in there. And then I'm going to switch out a couple of pairs of shoes, but I'm not going to take like my flip-flops out yet because like obviously I'm not going to be wearing them, but just to make a little bit of room where we have our shoes right now. Let me show you guys. So like we have a lot of pair of boots. Like, I don't wear these anymore. I don't think Alex wears those ones anymore. I don't wear like the big ones that I have at the back of it there anymore. And like my heels I wear sometimes, but like not often enough for me to keep them out. So I'm probably just gonna put them away also, and if I really want to wear them, then I'll have to go get them. And then the rest is like our shoes that we started getting out for better weather, because like the sidewalks don't have any more snow on them. So yeah, I think we're just gonna switch those out. So this bin is pretty full, but I'm gonna see if I can try to like fit some things like right on top here because there's still a little bit of space. So let's do this. I was emptying out the closet and I found these little yellow balls that the cats love to play with, and I don't know if you guys can see Nala. She has it in her mouth right now and she gets so aggressive about it. Like, Alex is gonna throw it. Do you guys hear her? She goes. She loves those yellow balls. I literally found it in the closet. I just like dropped it. I was probably like 10 centimeters off the floor and I dropped it, and I just heard someone running to come, and all I started hearing is meowing. So she loves those yellow balls, and now she got one to play with until she loses it like all the other balls that they've had. So yeah, I was gonna show you guys my progress. So my room is a mess. This is what the room looks like right now. There's stuff everywhere, but I emptied out a big part of the closet, and I don't know if you guys can see, again, there's like so much cat hair everywhere. It is disgusting, so I'm gonna vacuum that as soon as the vacuum is fully charged. And I'm gonna move those things also, like our luggage, and then this little thing right here, I'm gonna move it also. And then we're gonna try to figure out up here if we can maybe fit some things up there. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So this is what this bin looks like full. There's hardly anything in here. I have like 2 scarves, 2 sweaters, like 4 sweaters in total, and then our 2 coats, like my 2 coats. But I think I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's way too big and I'm not gonna wear it anymore. I haven't worn it for like 2 years or 3 years now, so I don't know why I'm holding on to it. So I'll probably get rid of it or something, so we'll see, because I do need the space to put everything away. So yeah, either that or I'll hang this one back up in the closet. So it is now about 1 o'clock and I decided to take a snack break because I would eat lunch, but I don't feel like making anything, so I'm just gonna eat a snack and then I'll just eat another snack later this afternoon. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just eating fries right now. We bought some fries from like IG and we had a whole bunch in the fridge, so I just thought I would volunteer myself to eat them because I love potatoes. I probably won't eat them all, but I warmed them up and I'm gonna eat this. And then I'm gonna get back to cleaning up our room. I lied. I ate them all. I was so hungry. So I guess this is gonna be my lunch for today. So our vacuum takes super long to charge, so it's not fully charged, but I was able to like do this area. I shut it off. I'm gonna move these. I'm gonna do that area, and then I'm gonna be able to put a whole bunch of things in here, so that's gonna be super helpful. And I also got to do the vacuum on top here. So so I think I'm done with the closet. I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. So I put all of these like all cute and neat because it used to be like a big pile with all my scarves in it and everything. So now that my scarves are out, it looks so much better. I put that back there. Everything is back where they used to be. The only thing is this. Alex loves to leave his clothes right there. I hate it, but if I fight him on it, I think I'll lose. But that's a lot of clothes. I don't know if there's any more. I don't think so. We'll see. We'll probably put them in the wash. I think they're all due to be washed. And then I also found these shirts that were laying in that basket, so I'm gonna hang those up and put them in here. And as you guys can see, like I like to color code my things. I probably need to like do a little bit of organizing because some of them was like they're like ish. So I start with pinks. I go to like burgundy. I have one thing that's sort of purple. I have like this right here that's kind of purplish. And then I go to blues, dark blue, and then I don't know how I did the transition all the way to like whites, but I went white, gray, and then beige. So it's like not that well color coded, but like whatever. Color coordinated. Color coded? No, color coordinated. Oh my god, I cannot say that word. Anyways, this is what this looks like. I'm gonna try to figure out up here if we can get more storage space there, because that would be great. Like I have this big cushion that I have no other space that I can put our 2 sleeping bags either, and then like our tent either, but maybe we can like stack some things up on, and then we have like a map at the back of there, which would be so cool to get a frame for it and like frame it. That would be awesome, but we don't have any room to actually like put it on a wall here, so that'll have to wait. And then that is the cage that I got the cats. Well, not the cage, like the bag, travel bag that I got for the cats. I only have one. I should probably have 2, but it was $40 and I was like, I only need 1 right now, so I'll get another one when I actually need 2 of them. Other than that, like we have a leash that we can put them on. So for now, that's what I got up to. The next thing I have to do is attack my bed because my bed is a mess still. Like, but everything is already organized, so it's not going to take too long. The biggest thing is that I have to vacuum under the bed, and then once under the bed is vacuumed, I can put everything away, so that's going to be super easy. And then I just have to put like the clothes that are still laying around in a drawer, which is going to be fine. And then I think I want to go through my little side table because I do have a lot of things like in there. Like they're all going to stay there, but I just want to like reorganize it because you know, when you take things out, put them back in, take them back out, put them back in, like it just becomes a mess. So I'm going to go through that and I'll update you guys later. So I vacuumed everything under the bed, like the entire room has been vacuumed. So I'm going to attempt to put all the bins that are right behind me right there under the bed. Everything's gonna fit. Like I know it's gonna fit. I just hope like that. Like I don't know what I'm hoping for. Like everything's gonna fit. It's all good. So I'm gonna put those under the bed and I'll update you guys right after. So I just had a super lazy like 30 minutes probably. I just sat on my bed and like checked out TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all those things. But I do have to put all the clothes away that was on my bed, but the bins did fit under the bed. Like I said, of course they did, because they were already under the bed. But everything is under the bed, so I only have a couple of things to put away and then I'm gonna be done. And then I mean it's only 2:15, but I'm probably gonna get dinner started just so everything's like cut and ready, because Alex hasn't eaten lunch, but he did eat breakfast pretty late, so we're probably gonna be having like an early dinner. So I'll prepare everything and then and then we'll see what ends up happening for the rest of the day. You guys, I'm done. Finally. I'll show you guys the closet, and then I put everything under the bed, so like, oh my god. Nala just hit the thing that's behind the door. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. Hey, did you lose your yellow ball? Anyways, this is what the closet looks like. I hung a lot of tank tops in here, but there are some tank tops that I own that I don't want to hang up just because the straps are like, they look weak, like they would just snap off. So I put them away in my dresser. So the last drawer has 4 of the sweaters that I kept, and then some jean shorts, some sock shorts, some wannabe jean shorts that are soft, and then like 5 tank tops that I kept that are staying in here. So I'm done. My hair is a mess, but that is fine. So I'm gonna, what time is it? It's almost 3, so I think I'm gonna start prepping for dinner, and then I don't know what we're gonna get up to. My face is still so red. Whatever, I'll just keep putting cream on it. So I'm gonna head in the kitchen, I'm gonna start prepping for dinner, and then I'll update you guys later. So this right here is what we're gonna be eating for dinner. But in this recipe, there are zucchinis, and neither me or Alex eat zucchinis, so I'm not gonna put them in. But since I'm not putting them in, I decided to make like this Brussels sprout salad. I saw Remy making one of these on her channel the other day, and it looked so good, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna make one myself. So there's Brussels sprouts, green apples that I took the peel off, and some almonds that I mixed in this thing right here with this, so they became like almost flour almond, like almond flour. I don't know if you guys can tell. The dressing is olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, maple syrup, lemon, and I think I'm forgetting something, but I'm not sure. Oh, garlic, and then salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna let this sit because I feel like it's gonna be so much better once it sits a bit, and then I will update you guys once this is ready. Alright, so dinner is cooking right now. So this is the kind of sauce. I don't know, like, I guess it's like curry sauce? Yeah, curry sauce. And I put chicken in this one because it's the recipe is with fish. I'm cooking the fish separately because Alex is intolerant to fish, so I'm making him chicken in the sauce. We've got some rice right here that is ready to go. Oh, my camera's fogging up. But it smells so good and it looks so good, and the only thing we have in here are carrots, and I put some pepper on top, and then my fish is cooking right here, so I'm super excited to eat. I'll show you guys the final result, and then I also have to add like lime at the end, so we'll see how it tastes with the lime. Alright, so this is what dinner looks like. We have the salad that I showed you earlier, and then I have rice, the fish, the curry sauce, and carrots, and Alex has chicken, and we are going to eat because it looks so good. And it is only 4:18. It is so early, but we're eating because we're hungry. What's up, guys? It's been quite a while now. I think I'm gonna end this video here. I don't know what this video was. It was kind of like a vlog, and it was kind of like a clean out my closet with me or clean out my room with me. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.